So I have been a dental hygienist for 20 years. I've done the whole paradigm of scaling and root planing, and I have seen patients come back frustrated time and time again. I have patients that do their home care, do everything I say, and they're coming back, and everybody's kind of hitting their head against the wall as to why aren't things getting any better. And I want to tell you that don't be scared of Perio Protect. Embrace Perio Protect, because it gives you this amazing freedom to really treat your patients, and they see the value in it. They send friends and family because they see the value in it. And it takes a lot of the workload off your back. Especially patients that have gone through scaling and root planing multiple times, and feel like here we are again. You get to now offer them something that is non-invasive, because they don't like scaling and root planing. It's not comfortable. It doesn't feel good to them. And when you explain to them that, gosh, every time I do that, I'm stirring up all that bacteria. It's causing a lot of bleeding, and it creates what we call bacteremia, where we're actually introducing all of that bacteria into your bloodstream at one time. It's not a healthy thing. So honestly, any patient is a great candidate for Perio Protect. Obviously we tend to talk to our patients that have periodontal disease issues predominantly, but I wear the trays myself, and I don't have periodontal infection, but I don't ever want to get periodontal infection. So for me, it's great for everybody, because it's preventative for those who don't, and it's a treatment and a maintenance for those who do. And especially the patients that have any kind of systemic issues, arthritis, heart attack, stroke risk or history, diabetes, any of those kind of patients can really benefit, not just from their mouths, but in feeling better throughout their bodies. So you're gonna have those patients that are skeptical, obviously, because they're not hearing about this everywhere. Most of the times patients are saying to me, I've never heard this before. How come nobody else has told me this before? And that's when I explain, there's always new technology coming out. You see it with your cell phones, you see it with your tablets. I mean, technology is constantly moving forward, and the same thing happens in the dental field. Our office invests a lot in looking out to see what's new and what's out there and what's coming along. And so this is one of those newer technologies, and not everyone has embraced it yet. But we have, and we know that this works.